Welcome to the Phoenix Hunter channel. Today is June 10th, 2023. One more week over, and if you see the divergence, uh, yes, still I'm getting the divergence. I can say this is the very longest divergence. I've been just comparing, doing the back testing since 2007. This is historically it's a very big divergence. I didn't expect this kind of divergence this much long actually. Okay, so okay, this is a learning for us. Good, we are in a long-term players here. These kind of experiences we need. Okay, then only we can play in this market. Okay, okay, as usual, we got minus 0.89 this week, so the portfolio has decreased. And if you see here, yes, right, so every week if we are going down like this, it's a very hard uh, to just reach this 28% mark. So we have in the next weeks we have to cover, right, more with more averages, with positive averages. We'll see. Okay. And this week actually we did a few transactions. This NVDS and SOXS actually I closed with break even. Actually, we kept the stop loss. On Friday it hit it, so I can say that I don't have I didn't get any loss actually here, but I just put like the stop loss at 9.45. This is like 11.27, something like that. So that I don't get any loss, I can reuse the money in future transactions. Maybe I will buy back the same stocks again. I'm closely watching. I can say just break even, so that it's easy for us for time being. Maybe I can use green. At least it's not a red. Okay, this is 0.41 and all those red less than 1%. Maybe I can make a break even here because I just kept the stop loss here. That is the reason we got just below 1%. It's very just okay. So this is the one. And now since UVXV is downside, I cannot I don't sell. I want to average more. And as I mentioned earlier, I took this Australia ETF. I'm bullish on Australia ETF. And then actually the interesting story here is I took this ADA and MATIC for quick transactions. I don't want to keep a long term. Would like to discuss the Bitcoin status in this uh, session. And if you see here, last couple of weeks, the market is keep on going up, but this is in a very closing stage. So the maximum limit is to fill this gap. Till that markets, it's very, I think, very limited. I think still around 1 to 2% of yes, still 2 more percent means around I can expect a 6% down in my portfolio till it reach. Okay, till that I don't sell any SQQ and this UVXV. I will focus more. Actually, this ADA and MATIC, why I took here is I just thought that anyhow market goes up, so that Bitcoin also go up due to this tight correlation. But nowadays there is no correlation between the US markets and the Bitcoin. I just thought, okay, for the quick transition, I just played because this is BITA, right? That is the short of the Bitcoin. Anyhow, I'm shorting the Bitcoin. So I thought it would be a hedge for the market for my portfolio, but unfortunately, what happened is, as usual, the Bitcoin went down. So we have to discuss more on those. And not only the Bitcoin, but the ADA, the altcoins, is a huge downturn in the last. For example, if you take ADA, so it's a huge down. Okay, so it's a too much. Yes, these are all actually. I thought this is the bear market has started. Okay, so first this Bitcoin, this cryptocurrency goes down, and then market also follows that. Okay, if the so is it really wave three? Maybe yes, it looks like a wave three. Okay, so I didn't expect this. Even this I told you, right? This ADA and the MATIC I just took to till that Nasdaq reach only this level. After that, everything is going down. There is no doubt on that. I'm completely bearish. Okay, as long as my model is saying that a negative divergence, as long as that I will be continue to add more shorts. Okay, but here once the market reach here, but to reach here I think it may take some time, maybe weeks. I'm not sure, but the next week is very important. That Wednesday, that Fed meeting is there. That time I'm expecting a huge volatility. That time it may go to reach this, and then I will load heavily the UEXV and all those UEXV, but I don't take SQQ because I have a huge downside in SQQ. But I will play with UEXV and other short stocks, because so that I can keep a stop loss at the break even level. Maybe I don't lose much money. Okay, so that is the reason. Maybe I don't want to average this, but I will take the other shots. Okay, so this is the reason. And if you see, actually, Elliott Wave has giving a free pass. This is a 1 week of transaction, 1 week. So still we have 2 more days. So here you can see, you can access the whole their analysis. Earlier I took all this subscription. I learned a lot, and after that I'm not following. I don't have any pro service from Elliott Wave, but for my learning purpose, at my initial stages, I took these transfer these subscriptions, but now I'm no longer taking any subscriptions on pro services. Okay, but this is worth. Okay, you can take these and just try what are the possibilities. But these giving the uh, like corrective waves and all those, these are all now part of my DNA in my trading. And the one more thing is the very important thing. mm, um, why I'm saying is this is a bear market. As long as this market is in this especially Bitcoin, okay, as long as in this channel, I can say this is a bear market. Okay, if it goes up, if the market cross the upper channel, I can think I can revisit. Okay, maybe a bull. Is it a bull market? But as long as here, this is a bear market. Okay, and one more is this is very initial stage. Okay, my expectation is it will reach this bottom line, means the market goes to around 10,000, the Bitcoin. Now it is 25,000. It just came from 30,000 to around 25,000. Maybe I can take I may close the position here as per my earlier analysis, but let us see. Okay, but the markets, I'm expecting a long term, this will go to around 10,000. Okay, it's a very huge down. Let us see. I'm very much interesting. And this is the one, Nasdaq, very short limit, very limited, is upside is very limited. And here this upside limit, I told you, right, it's very close. Okay, I think it's almost hit this limit. So I'm expecting the maximum limit is this. Next week it may hit this. It's very close. Okay, very close. Okay, after that the market goes down. Okay, so we will revisit, and these are all my current positions, but these two I will close quickly. And EWA is a long term, but I will do a average here, and these are all my current next week's plan. Okay, we'll discuss in the next video.